Well, summer treats are the best, but some are rather messy. Do-it-yourself lifestyle expert Taylor Kaye has some hacks to keep everyone cool, neat, and tidy. Good morning.
Good morning. You know I love my hacks, Annette.
Okay, so the first one involves watermelon, my absolute favorite food.
Well, you know what? I like to, when I go to a backyard party, I like to have my watermelon in one hand and maybe a beverage in the other. So this is a great hack. All you're going to do is cut your watermelon into triangles and then get some reusable popsicle sticks so I can have a beverage in one hand and have my watermelon in the other. The other thing is this is great to freeze just for a couple of hours before you go to a party, so it's nice and cold when you get to the party.
Okay, do you put the sticks in then before you cut the watermelon slices?
Well, I cut the watermelon slices and then I put a little slice into the rind of the watermelon and then stick the stick in. Yes.
Okay, good to know. All right, next.
Yes. Okay, the next hack, this is great, and it's to keep your treats cool. This is an easy hack for frozen treats, so you don't want to miss those delicious moments. This is our family favorite. It's McCain Deep and Delicious Cakes. They're easy to pack and ready to eat when you're on the go this summer, and perfect to transform, you know, those easy moments into delicious indulgences. And take a look at this, Annette. So we love the marble and chocolate McCain cakes. So what I do is I take just any, metal tray that you can get at any bargain store, fill it with water, then freeze it for a couple of hours. And usually those trays come in like doubles. Then you put the other tray on top and you can put your fruit, vegetables. Even my dogs are excited now too about it. But you just put your cake on top and it keeps it frozen.
Okay. They're like, I've got a hack. I've got to tell you something.
I got to tell you something. That hack is the best, Mom. I love it. So again, really easy. I've got another one too, Annette, which is, those sugar cones that we get that you buy at the grocery stores or any other type of cones. If you don't eat your ice cream quick enough, then sometimes it drips right through, right? So my hack is either you can fill the bottom with like a peanut butter or chocolate sauce, or even that hardening chocolate sauce you can get at any of the grocery stores. Let that harden, then put your ice cream on top, and then it won't drip through the cone. So really simple.
Okay, so by letting it harden, do you put it in the freezer itself before you put the ice cream in?
Oh, so some of the chocolate sauces you can get, it's like that instant hardening sauce that goes on top of chocolate. So that instantly hardens right at the bottom of the cone. Or you can put peanut butter. That won't harden, but at least it will stop the dripping from coming through. But it's just to stop it like dripping right down your hand.
Okay, what about popsicles?
Popsicles, okay, so if you're going to a backyard party or if you're even going to an amusement park, popsicles can be quite expensive. So grab your water thermoses that, a lot of the kids have these from back to school. Maybe they're not using them anymore right now. You're gonna grab a thermos, you're gonna put some ice into the thermos, and then grab your popsicles, put them inside, and it keeps them frozen for hours. So again, if you're going to a backyard party, or if you wanna be like the soccer mom that is cool that you're bringing these frozen treats and they stay frozen, this hack will work for you.
Okay, that's cool. So I didn't catch it there. Do you take the wrapping off of it, or do you leave the wrapping on?
Oh, no, leave the wrapping on, unless, then you can have, well, if you want to take the wrapping off, then you're going to have a nice frozen drink inside, but just keep the wrapping on. Maybe add it. We can go back and add some adult beverages from the other segment inside there, but what you want to do is keep the wrapping on of your freezies, put it in with a little bit of ice again, and then let it just stay frozen until the kids are ready to have it, and then pull it out.
Okay, we are easy peasy and nice and cool and no mess anywhere. Taylor, great advice. We'll get the links up to your socials up at chch.com. Great to see you.
Thank you.